see them. Hmm? How about now?
Mm-hmm.
That bird's in range. If you're gonna shoot him, don't move, don't move. If you're gonna shoot him, let him get past that house. That's my only request. If you're gonna do it, pull the gun up, pull the gun up. Easy. Don't move, he's looking right at us. Come up slowly. Put it right on his head. Don't shoot him like that. Like that.
Don't?
You can shoot him with his head straight up like that. Do you want me to put his head up?
It's up now.
Here comes a car. See if that car passes. Dirt nap. Here, take your hand.
Okay.
We're out here doing
Believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, we're at such a loss for this morning. We decided we were gonna put up this lovely blind. The chairs, the decoys, and I called 3 times all morning long and had a bird walk in range. So apparently it works. So, well, we're gonna get to getting everything out of this field, and like I said, Nikki got her bird for the year, so we'll get back to you guys here in a bit.